Good day, all the participants of the GRC Summit 2023. We just finished. Now we got a chance to listen sharing from Lee Dittmar, who actually is going to be the keynote speaker of our next program, i.e. the Risk Beyond 2023 that will be held in Bali. Lee, as you know, we just finished the GRC Summit 2023 just now, right? And we are moving to the Risk Beyond 2023, which is scheduled on the 7th and 8th December 2023 in Bali, Indonesia, where yourself is a keynote speaker. In that context, would you please share a short preview on how the thematic of respective events interplay one to another? The theme of GRC Summit we just finished is about building resilient future through GRC and ESG, whilst the thematic of upcoming Risk Beyond 2023 is about into the unknown, charting the future agenda. Hopefully you could share a bit on how it bridges from the thematic we just finished to the thematic that we are going to embrace in the next event. Please, Lee.
It's been a great day at GRC Summit 2023. We've heard a variety of perspectives and gained insights from leaders who thought a lot about how GRC and ESG can help us build resilience into our organizations. I hope you were challenged to consider doing things differently and doing some different things. Now, I'm sure that some of you are struggling to come to grips with how fast things are moving. Change is always hard, as embracing change is not hardwired into us as a species. But as some of our speakers have noted, we need to embrace change and uncertainty to deal with our fast-changing world. We cannot dispute the new reality. The changes we are experiencing now and the changes we'll experience in the very near future are like nothing we've seen in our lifetimes. We're going to get disrupted, and it's going to happen incredibly fast. I've heard some say that we're going to need an upgrade to the human mind in order to deal with this pace of change. We know that exponential technologies have the potential to make things better than we can even imagine. Converging exponential technologies, for example, will almost certainly be part of the solution to some of our ESG concerns. But new technologies also come with new and different risks, and their adoption creates new questions and new uncertainties. You are undoubtedly thinking about the impacts and implications of artificial intelligence, AI. We all, each one of us, has already been affected by AI, and we also have access to AI. In the not too distant future, we will all have AI assistants, AI co-pilots, to help us do our jobs better, more efficiently, more effectively. But not just our jobs, every aspect of our lives. It can be a bit scary, maybe even overwhelming for some, but we must move forward. We must chart our future agendas, even when it feels like we are moving into the unknown. We will further explore how to do this when we come back together at Risk Beyond in early December, only a few short months away. I'll have the honor and privilege of sharing my insights on the nature and extent of the changes we will see and what they mean to us as leaders, risk managers, and stakeholders. A key point that our esteemed speakers and panelists will address this year will be the speed of change and how to deal with it. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and the longer we wait, the more we risk falling behind. Further, the questions we have today will not be the same ones we have as these technologies continue to evolve. While it's crucial to study and really understand these exponential technologies, waiting for complete certainty is not a prudent strategy. Adapting to new technologies now will help you stay ahead of the curve, learning and evolving with them rather than racing to catch up. It's about building a learn-as-we-go resilience, growing and adapting with the changes rather than waiting for them to hit us. Do you see now that the essence of resilience is not in having all the answers, but in anticipating, adapting, recovering from, and growing in the face of change and uncertainty? The future is not just knocking on doors, it's about to kick them open. We can choose to hide, hoping it will pass us by, or we can open the door, greet it with curiosity and courage, and be the ones who shape the future rather than being shaped by it. I look forward to exploring these ideas and much more when we gather for Risk Beyond in Bali on December 7th and 8th. I do hope to see you there.
Thank you so much, Lee, for such a preview. Yeah, it's very helpful and very inspiring. So, audience, we are looking forward to welcoming you in the Risk Beyond 2023 in Bali, Indonesia, 7 and 8 December 2023. Good day.